Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Joby May here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Joby May. I upload cleaning, cooking, and mommy videos. And I would love you to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Hello guys, so we are going to arrange this messy drawer, guys, okay? So guys, let's clean this one, guys, and we're going to use this for our utensils, okay? Pero medyo may itim-itim siya, guys, so I hope na pwede ko siyang matanggal. So today's video, guys, we are going to declutter and organize our messy drawer. I took 3 days, guys, to film this video. 3 different days, guys. Yes, so I could only dedicate for half an hour a day. This is the first day that I filmed this video. In our kitchen, we only have 4 drawers, guys. So the first drawer is where we keep our cutleries and utensils. After cleaning the first drawer, now let's put this liner. I took everything from the cutlery tray and I washed it, guys. Okay guys, so what are we going to put here are the things that I use every day. And then on this one, I will change the place and I will put this one or the other one like this, but the plastic one. No, I mean the other one like this, but it's smaller, so I'm going to put it here. Yes guys, and put the things that I'm not using it every day. So yes guys, so I'm afraid to put the knives and scissors, guys, to the other side because Lakota likes to touch, guys. Yes, so what should I do? Maybe I'm going to change this one, guys. Yeah, and I will put to the other side. I mean, I will put to the other place. Yes, guys, because I am so afraid that she will take the knives and scissors. Yeah, knives and scissors here because we use scissors, guys, whenever I cook. Sometimes, for example, to open the plastic or open a bag of pasta, open a bag of lentils, something like that, guys. Crisps. So this side will be all knife, this side. Yes. And yes guys, yun lang. Yung spoon o ano guys, yung spoon namin. Yung spoon namin as in dirty lahat because we ate soup last night.
What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love?
And now guys, I'm going to put guys the tablecloths here guys. Yes, these are all tablecloths guys. Yes, so I'm going to put these down here guys. Yes, and these are our napkins guys, cloth napkins, aprons. Yes, this is Haley's apron and other stuff guys. So yes, let's continue. As you can see that this drawer is very dirty, and let's vacuum it.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love?
So I threw away the things that old guys and the things that we really use it, so much better. And we have so many cloth napkins, and I don't know what we are going to do with them guys. So if you have any suggestions, can you please comment down below what should I do with those cloth napkins, and thank you so much in advance.
When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done.
So these are the cloth napkins that I'm telling you guys. The photo is so white. Let's go there.
Bye.
Okay guys, so I'm going to continue tomorrow because the kids are hungry and I'm going to prepare dinner for them. And yes, it is the next day. This drawer guys is full of many stuff like things for baking, tea towels, aprons, candles. Yes guys, and I've found so many cut recipes. And can you see guys the candles that I'm telling? Many candles accumulated here because every birthdays, anniversaries, monthsaries, we celebrated all those guys. So yeah.
Why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side.
Let's give this a good vacuum to remove all the dirt and dust accumulated here. And I am using this multi-purpose spray guys to totally remove the dust. And I am putting the liner again guys.
Why did she go? Whoa.
So I am now putting back the aprons and other stuff guys. And I also threw away the old stuff guys that we don't need anymore.
Just tell me, why did she go? you go. Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go? I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be.
And it is our third day, guys.
I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it.
So I am taking out the things in the second drawer, guys.
Deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now.
So this is Hailey's food, guys. Fried rice delight.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over.